Welcome. In front of me are two different OPPOs. On the left we have the OPPO Reno 2, on the right we have the OPPO A1K, and today I'll show you how to transfer data from your old device to your new. So this will work strictly between the OPPO devices using their built-in app. So to get started, you can actually open up the app on here, which is the clone phone app right here, and just keep it open. You can lock the device for now and set it onto the side. Now on your new device, which right now you can see that it's not even set up yet, you want to go to the setup process. So like so. Now if your device is already set up, you can also do this, but all you need to do then on your setup device here, when you open the app, you want to open an app on the new device as well. You will have the option to this is a new phone, so you want to, on your new phone, tap that this is your new phone, and on your old phone you'll select that this is your old phone. This is when the device is actually set up. If it's not and you're just going first time to the setup, then you can follow the way I'm going through here. So stop on next, continue, agree, stop on no thanks. I'm skipping primarily through most of this just to get to the screen where I am actually able to restore the phone. Let's just tap on next. Okay, just skip this, almost there, continue, and there it is. So import data, and you have the either option to set it up as a new OPPO, which if your device is already set up, you probably chose that option, and you'll have the option to import data from an old phone. So we're gonna select that, and here it gives you a couple different options. So you have the OPPO, other Android phone, or iPhone. Now if you're using a different device than an OPPO itself, you will have to download the app from Play Store or App Store on Apple. So it just depends on what you're using. For this, I'm using the OPPO phone itself, so the app comes pre-installed on there and I don't have to install anything. But you can find it there. Just make sure that when you're downloading it, you're looking for a clone phone app, or how you should search for it, and make sure that it's made by the OPPO. So I'm gonna select that. I'm moving it from OPPO, and it gives you a QR code. So let's go back to the older device now and select that this is an old phone, and now this turns on the scanner. So all you need to do is just use this phone to scan the code. So I'm just gonna take it, and there it is. Now I didn't press anything. Once it scans the code, it automatically accepts it and proceeds on. So connecting, and you can see that both of them just did its thing. And here on the old device, you will have all the things that you can transfer. Now for me, there's basically not really much I can transfer, just a couple apps and no calls, no data, no nothing like that. But assuming your device has contacts, messages and stuff like that, you will actually have them right here. Now for me, I only have the app data right here, as you can see. And there's no contacts, no messages, no call history, no pictures, no nothing, as you will see. And actually going back here, you can stop. You can choose what you want to transfer. So number one, you have the categories. Let me just minimize the two of those. So you have the categories of contacts, messages, call history, pictures, videos, music, documents, system data, and app data. Now if you don't want to transfer something like messages, stuff like that, you can just deselect it by tapping on the square right there, and once it's deselected, it won't be moved to the new device. You can also tap on the drop down menu, as you can see, for the system data and app data, and it will extend all the things that you can transfer. So right here for the apps, it shows me all the apps that will be moved, which I can also deselect ones that I don't want, for example. So I could deselect most of them and keep certain ones that I just want. By doing this, you will actually decrease the time it will take to transfer all the data. The more data you have, the longer it will take. And you can see right here how much it has to transfer. So 321 megabytes of data will be transferred. And if I start deselecting additional apps, you can see that it's going down with each app I'm deselecting. Okay. Same thing goes for settings. It gives you all the settings for different apps. And yeah. That's about it. I can change. If you have pictures and videos and stuff like that, you will be able to change all those as well, but there's 0 files there, so I can't even extend it. So once you're satisfied with the things that are selected, tap on Start Cloning. Then you will get a code that you need to put in on this device. So oops, X P Y M 3, oops, okay, there is 3771, and it starts the transfer. Right now it's calculating all the data that it needs to transfer. Once it actually goes through them and finds what it needs to transfer, it's gonna go fairly quickly because, well, there's not much to transfer, as you can see. And it's about done. So you can see it's done right here and here. Cool. Done. And start the experience. And there it is. So as you can see, everything has been transferred. Now, like I was saying, you can also do this when your device is set up, and all you will need to do, like I was saying previously, open the app on both of the devices, and this time all you would do is new phone, old phone, OPPO, and you basically go through the same process as I showed. It's just you can launch this app while the device is already set up. So I'm just gonna quit this because I'll basically be back in the same process. So that is how you would move your data over to a new device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.